Hi my respected friends, today is the video for Mahzooz draw. The next draw is drawing on 13th August 2022. Friends, today in this video I will show you the 49 number attraction. Whenever the 49 was came, after the 6th draw, some same numbers coming in the result. First time you can see when 49 number has come in the result. After 6th draw, these numbers come, one number in 10 to 19. Two numbers in 20 to 29 and two numbers from 40 to 49. Second time you can see when 49 number was came, same after 6 draws the result was two numbers from 10 to 19, again one number from 20, and again you can see two numbers from 40 to 49, 43 and 46. Then third time when 49 was came, after 6 draw the result was 14, one number from 10 to 19, one number from 20 to 29. They picked the same number 20 20, then one number from 30 39, again two numbers from 40 to 49, and they picked the same number 43. First time you can see 41 48, then 43 46, then again 43 and 44. 48 decrease 2 time, then 46, then minus 2 time, then 44. Now the 42 number has good chances to come. If you are thinking about this number, then this is the powerful number for our upcoming draw of Mahzooz 42 number. Okay, so according to this routine I make some powerful numbers, and I have also powerful pattern. According to this routine you should select from 10 to 19 one number. I have powerful numbers from 10 to 19, 12 and 17. You can pick one number from here if you like. One number from 20 to 29. According to this routine you should select one number. I have four powerful numbers. You can select one number from here. 20, 25, 24 and 26. You should select one number from here. And according to 49 attraction, two numbers you should select from 40 to 49. Two numbers. I have some powerful numbers. Number one is 43, then 48, then 42, 41 and 46. I have five numbers, and according to my research two numbers should come in the draw. Okay friends, 1, 2 and plus 2, 4 numbers. We have 4 numbers. Remaining one number you should select from 1 to 9 or 30 to 39. It's up to you. You should select one number from these two series, 1 to 9 or 30 to 39. From 1 to 9 I have two powerful numbers. Number 1 is 1 and number 2 is 2. These are numbers from 1 to 9. And from 30 to 39 I have three numbers, 37, 38 and 39. These are from 30 to 39. You should select one number from these two series, two numbers from these numbers, one number from 20 to 29 and one number from 10 to 19. This is the overall routine about 49 attraction. You can also see the past result, past history, and you can also research for your selection. These are best numbers according to my routine. So in the end, good luck to all. Wait for my next video. Goodbye.